Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kesan tadi ujilio, kadai kasngi ke bahasa telak ke percaya. Larakhe yakni kasngi kum kasngi bakarpang, ban penne pensa bar banyada na kencing penjat dia ke mai mariang. Ya kini keji Rakhe lasaki, hakani ke Nongbah, Shillong ru, kebala pelong dekat Sorkar Jylla, Lengba Katnat, Environment and Forest, rengkat kencing kersan lang dekat District Administration jongka East Khasi Hills. Lasdang ya kini keji Rakhe, dekat kencing ya pajba, kebala sedang nadu, nalai mer apor Shillong, komisi benta banyalap, yakin nong snong, halar ban penne pensa, bat ban penjat pathar ya ke mariang. Bat Haka ni keji ya kejat, nalor ki pajba, bat ki kena skol, lai shim benta lang ru, do menteri rangba ke Jylla, ukon rat ke sangma, ubalalong kongsan, Haka ni keji Rakhe. Hadin kini keji ya kejat kebala penkot no apalau jangka State Central Library, lapan buat parts, ya kini keji Rakhe kebala tep kum ke World Environment Day, sada keji lang hapo Sosotham Auditorium. Haka bala yo yaki kenten pitian sobha yaki nawan shimenta now additional PCCF URS Gil IFS. Bat hadin kene pat lamat phang halor ke phang pedeng jong kene kejing Rakhe ke baong beat plastic pollution da CEO jong ke Meghalaya Basin Development Authority UP Sampat Kumar IAS. Bat haka ni kejing Rakhe layo ru yik jing shat bat kejing ruai na kiken hon baper.
I'm so glad to see that there's so many young people out here today. And so many students here today, because really, for us, yes, it does matter, but this matters more for you. And if we are doing this, we're doing it largely for you. And whatever we do today, and whatever programs we implement, whatever steps we take, it is to ensure that we as leaders and as seniors, we leave a better world for you. And that is the objective really of having this program today, and to create this awareness about how we need to protect, contribute to our environment. We walk today to really give an example to the people, to society, and to give the first message that we have today, which is reduce. When I come from Upper Shillong to office, we end up spending or using at least about 2 to 3 liters of petrol every day. Because I have got the police vehicles, my vehicle, and other vehicles. So imagine by not using the vehicle, I have saved about 3 liters of petrol today while coming here. And I'll be saving again another 3 liters of petrol while going back. That's about 6 liters of petrol. And by doing that, by not burning this petrol, not using the energy, the CO2 emission, as we all know, the carbon emission, that I am putting into the environment, which we call carbon footprints, I am reducing my carbon footprints. And which is what is leading to what Mr. Sampat Kumar just told you, leading to the rise in temperatures. So I know we can do many things, we talk of many things, we say we should throw plastic, we should say no to this, no to pollution, grow trees. My point is, when do we start acting? I want to ask each student and each citizen of our state and of our country that we need to start contributing at our level. Forget telling others what to do. Let others follow you. You start it. You start by setting an example. And that is what all these kids who work with me, that's what you did. You set an example. That if I can do it, I have reduced the CO2 emission by this much amount. That is the message that we want to give. You are reducing the consumption and you're reducing the outflow of CO2 into the environment, and that is how you have contributed today.
I request the person of MBDA to collect the prize on behalf of